Manchester United were put through their paces on day 2 of their warm-weather training camp in Dubai, with manager Jose Mourinho taking a hands-on approach. Mourinho appeared to be showing Jesse Lingard how to play the perfect pass at the Nad Al Sheba complex, though the in-form forward looked a little bemused to say the least. While catching and overtaking runaway league leaders Manchester City, who currently enjoy a 15-point lead at the top, appears unlikely. United are still in 2 cup competitions. The break, owing to United's exit to Bristol City in the last round of the Carabao Cup, is the perfect opportunity for Mourinho to work on tactics and strategy, having just come through the hectic best of fixtures. United took only 3 points from a possible 9 in their first 3 Christmas games, but have since recovered to win 2-0 at Everton and beat Derby